Nowadays, men, they take care of themselves. They put themselves first more than other people. Because if you don't take care of yourself, you know that you are very lucky when you have got a partner who thinks that maybe you can wear clothes. Especially men, when you have got a woman who thinks that you can wear clothes, a woman who buy clothes for you, you are very lucky. Women, we don't think that men, they can wear clothes. So men of nowadays, he can budget his money to buy his expensive clothes because he want to look nice. Women, we don't think about men most of the time, because sometimes as a man you can spend money to a woman, but you don't spend money to yourself looking good, smelling good. So men of nowadays, they know that sometimes, especially when you have got a selfish woman, you know that you want to go out or you see the couple together, but you don't think those people are husband and wife. The way the wife she is wearing and the way the husband is wearing, it's very different. So women, most of the time, we think about ourselves, we don't think about men. That's why you saw other men nowadays, they are selfish, because when you don't be selfish, sometimes you are thinking about other people, but you don't think about yourself. You end up not wearing clothes, or you don't have shoes to wear or an underwear. So you have to think about yourself. It's very good to be selfish sometimes, because you think that when you don't be selfish in this world of nowadays, you can't be survive. You don't want to lie, especially ama 2000, they don't think to take care of the men, or to think maybe you go to the shops, your husband want to wear clothes, what. Women, most of the women, we don't think about it. We think about ourselves only. So men of nowadays, they think that you want to wear clothes. You know that, guys, nowadays when you are dating those men who are born in 90s, they don't give women money like that. When you saw your husband buy the food, you have to know that he wants to eat that food. He can't spend his money when he is not benefiting. Men of nowadays, they spend their money where they are benefiting. It's different. Even women, guys, we are robbery sometimes, because you can spend someone's money but don't, or to give him something on without benefit. So men of nowadays, they don't spend money somewhere they don't benefit. They don't do it nowadays. So we can say it, they are very selfish. When, if you don't be selfish with yourself, who you want to, someone to think about you? Guys, nowadays people, they are thinking about themselves. You have to think about yourself first than other people.